Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Now we're going to do another. Be sure to comment, like, and again, if you feel so inclined, subscribe. Today I'm going to teach you how to trim correctly. Thank you for watching. Oh shoot, I must have gotten a little bit carried away with them FXs. Oh, we better get on to the next part. Alright, now that we've gotten that out of the way, we can jump into the meat of the video. Or as I'd like to put it, as the potatoes of the video. I like potatoes, do you like potatoes? So, assuming that you have watched the last video of how to edge and know all the safety precautions that you need to take, you've acquired yourself a trimmer, and you've taken off your damn guard, I think you're ready to learn more. I think that you're ready to learn how to trim correctly. First things first, let me make clear that there are multiple ways to trim and multiple ways to walk while you're trimming. However, I recommend that you walk backwards when you are trimming for the same reason that when you're cutting an apple that you pull the knife towards your thumb rather than away. Oh! Now there is times that you will be walking forwards when you are trimming, but it is very rare. While we're on the topic of walking, why don't you tell us a little bit more about it, Sam? You want to consistently walk at the same speed, that way that you're less focused on how you walk and more how you trim. You mind if I say a little bit more? I think that'd be alright. Go on. Thank you. It also matters about how much string that you have. The more string that you have, the less fast it's going to go around. And the less fast it's going to go around, the less likely you are to scalp the yard. You don't want to scalp the yard. You scalp the yard, you'll end up just like a guy who has a guard on his trimmer without any friends. You don't want to scalp the yard. That is correct. Try not to scalp the yard, and a good rule of thumb is that it is better to trim the grass too high than too short. For if you end up trimming the yard too short, then it won't grow back. And if you're on my crew, you'd certainly get a scolding for that. Now, a quick tip for those who do commercial work where you just have commercial mower. Trim where you think the tire would go, then get the rest. It's that simple. To be frank, your job as a trimmer is to get what the lawnmower can't. That doesn't just include the corners, that also includes hillsides that are too steep for the lawnmower to be on, small berms in the yard, or back patios that need to be edged. A lawnmower can't edge. Now, if you're having trouble picking this up, it's alright. It takes time. Now, the final tip I have for you is know your string length. Heck, if you don't know how long your string is, then how are you going to know how far you need to have your trimmer head from the wall or from the fence or from the bed? It's paramount. It truly is to know how long your string is. Alright, I suppose that's the end of it. I don't really have anything else to say. Sam, do you have anything that you could conclude with? Make it quick. Comment a video idea that you guys have, because I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Also, like, that helps with people seeing it. And if you feel so inclined to, subscribe. That's it.
Hi, Nancy, sure.
Yeah, could I get 2 ice cream cones?
Ice cream cones are on our limited menu. I also have a cup of ice cream for $1.39 a piece or the McFlurry.
You don't have any cones in there?
No. Because of the virus, we are not allowed to touch the ice cream cones.
I'll just have one of those.
We have ice cream cups.
Yeah, let's do a cup of ice cream.
So I have your order, one plain Sunday. What else for you today?
That'll be all.
It's going to be $1.50 at the first window.
Thank you. Damn.